In a significant move to curb pedestrian fatalities and streamline traffic flow, the Coimbatore City Municipal Corporation has unveiled plans to construct 4-footover bridges, FOBs, at critical junctions in Gandhipuram and Ukkadam. With an estimated budget of 8 crore rupees, the project aims to address safety concerns in areas witnessing heavy footfall and vehicular congestion. A detailed project report, DPR, has been submitted to the Tamil Nadu government for approval, and officials confirm the initiative will be executed under a public-private partnership (PPP) model. In Gandhipuram, 3 FOBs will be constructed, including a 55-meter-long bridge over Dr. Nanjappa Road to connect the corporation town bus stand with Crosscut Road. A second 40-meter-long FOB over Bharatyar Road will link the town bus stand to the SETC bus stand, while a third 40-meter-long bridge over Dr. Nanjappa Road will join the central bus stand, Mofussil, with the upcoming Semmoji Park on Central Prison grounds. In Ukkadam, an L-shaped, 120-meter-long FOB will span the Perur Bypass Road and Sangam Bypass Road, connecting the town bus stand with the Mofussil bus stand. It is expected that each of these crossings record 3,000 to 4,000 pedestrians daily during peak hours, contributing to chaotic traffic and frequent accidents. The FOBs will reduce accidents significantly. The proposal follows a joint inspection with the former district collector, city police commissioner, and highway authorities to ensure feasibility. In 2024 alone, 102 pedestrians died in road accidents across the city, with 22 fatalities reported in the first 3 months. These FOBs are critical to saving lives. Designs must include lifts capable of carrying at least 15 people per trip as stairway FOBs reduce public usage. Public have urged authorities to extend FOBs to other high-risk zones like Sitra, Sangam, Lakshmi Mills, and Singanallur, where pedestrian vehicle conflicts are rampant. Once approved, the PPP model will expedite construction, with private partners handling implementation and maintenance. The corporation aims to complete the project within 12 to 18 months post-approval. This initiative marks a crucial step in Coimbatore's efforts to align urban infrastructure with growing pedestrian safety demands, setting a precedent for other Tamil Nadu cities grappling with similar challenges.